Hello crypto enthusiasts, I'm Daniel and you're welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video I'm going to be introducing you to a new crypto airdrop on Telegram which is called Tapswap. Alright, a lot of you might be familiar with this, a lot of us might not be aware of this, but for those of us who are not aware, then this is what you need to know. This video will be detailed about Tapswap and you'll get to know everything you need to know about this very free crypto mining bot on Telegram. So the first thing you want to do is to click on this blue start button at the bottom of your screen right now. Now the moment you click on this prompt is going to appear, which is going to say hey, then need to mention your name and say welcome to Tapswap. Tap on the coin and see your balance rise. Now Tapswap is a decentralized exchange on the Solana blockchain. Now the biggest part of the Tapswap token taps distribution will occur among the players. So you and I are the players. Okay, so got friends, relative, co-workers, bring them all into the game. More bodies, more coins. All right, the more people you invite, the more you earn. All right, so this is a decentralized exchange on the Solana blockchain. This coin or boat was built on the Solana blockchain and aims to launch on the Solana blockchain. Now there are three bars right here, which is start now, join community, and help. Now what you want to click on first is the help bar. This is where you get to learn more about this very coin and how the boat works. Now if you click on help right now, the first thing you're going to see here is tap to earn. Now tap to earn, Tapswap is an addictive clicker game where you accumulate shares by tapping the screen. So this is basically what it is. All right, it's actually an addictive clicker game where you accumulate shares by tapping the screen, and these shares become yours when the coin finally goes live. All right, so we have the leagues, all right, where you climb the ranks by earning more shares and outperforming others in the leagues. All right, and how do you outperform others? You invite more people to the network, but it's not really necessary. All right, it's optional. There are other ways to earn, and I'll be showing you that in this very video. Okay, now the next is boost, which you unlock boost and corporate tax to maximize your shares earning. All right, I'm going to show you how the boost works. This is another way to earn. Now the first section is where you invite others and both of you will receive bonuses. All right, assist your friends in advancing to the higher leagues for bigger share rewards. Now the last is the purpose. All right, you can collect as many shares as possible and exchange them for Tapswap token and Solana blockchain. All right, and this will be happening when the token goes live. Now you can click the start now button you saw at first, or go ahead and click the one at the bottom of the last prompt. All right, so once you click that, it will say to launch this web app you connect to its website. All right, so we're just going to click on that and this will automatically lead us to the Tapswap dashboard or home screen. Now one thing I love about this app is because of its intuitive design. The app is light and sleek. All right, now there are 5 buttons at the bottom of my screen right now, and the first one says rev, the next is tax, the middle one is tap, the fourth is boost, and the fifth is stats. Now to earn from this very boat you have to be tapping on this very coin at the middle of the screen. This is how you earn. All right, right here at the top you get to see bronze. Now that bronze is ranking. All right, for you to get rank you have to earn more Tapswap coin, and you earn this Tapswap coin by accumulating a lot of coins. All right, and the moment I click on that bronze right there, you will see that there are different leagues right here, which is the bronze league, the silver league, the gold league, platinum league, diamond league, master league, grandmaster league, light league, legendary league, and more. All right, they even have the mythic league. Now this is as a result of the tokens you earn. The more tokens you earn, the more you advance to these leagues. Now what you need to know is that once you tap on the middle button, which is tap, this will only lead you to the home screen. All right, which is where you tap this very big button at the middle of the screen. All right, right here is the coin counter. All right, now this is more like the coin, and when you click the middle button it reduces, but this also refills over time. Now the next right here is the ref. In short form, this is referral. And just like I've told you before, just like in any system, this is how to get more of this very coin. So if you click on that invite friend right now, it's going to lead you to the Timecoin booth. Now if you click on invite friend, it's going to ask you to forward this message to someone, and just go ahead and forward this message to just one person, and then you copy that referral link. Now if you copy the referral link, you send it to as much people as you want, or drop it anywhere you want, and anyone who joins through that link, you earn a commission for that. All right, method 2, which is the simplest, is you click the menu section, then you click on invite friends, and then you click and hold your referral link to copy your referral link. Now the next section we're going to be visiting right here is the tax section. Now if you click on the tax, as the name implies, you just have to carry out some tax and you get to earn Tapswap token. Now the first one is joining your social media handle. If you do that, you get 200k Tapswap token. If you connect your Solana wallet, you get 100,000 Tapswap token. The last is you subscribe to crypto news char and you get 300,000 Tapswap token. I think this tax changes from time to time, and I believe more will be added in due time. Now, the league section is where you get rewarded for accumulating more of this coin. The more coin you accumulate, the more rank you advance to, the more you are rewarded. You get rewarded for every rank you advance to. So simply click claim to claim your reward. Now, if you advance to the silver league, you get 5,000 Tapswap token. If you advance to the gold league, you get 10,000. If you advance to the platinum, you get 30,000, and so on and so forth. It just keep going up like that. Now, the highest right here is the mythic, alright, which will give you 5 million token. Alright, this is actually the highest. Now let's move to the next section of the tax section, which is the ref tax. Now the ref tax is where you get rewarded for your referrals. For inviting one person, you get 2,500 Tapswap. If you invite 3 friends, 50,000, 10 friends, 200,000, and 25 friends, 250,000, and so on and so forth. It keeps going like that. The idea is the more friends you get to invite, the more you get to earn from this very boot. And the highest right here is 100,000 friends for 100 million Tapswap token. Wow, anyone that's going to be doing that is going to be a genius in marketing. And just like I told you before, the middle bar right here is the tap, which will lead you directly to the home screen. This is the button you tap to earn this very coin. And you don't have to get discouraged because you have to tap this all the time. No, you don't even have to tap this all the time. I'll be revealing to you a bot which will do this for you automatically, even while you are asleep, alright? So stick with me to the very end of this video so you don't miss out when I drop that very information. Now, for the fourth bar, which we're going to be visiting, is the Boost Bar. And this is where you get to see the auto tap bot that will help you automate this process and help you tap even while you are sleeping. Now, the boost bar have two sections, which is your daily boosters and the normal boosters. Now, in the daily booster section, you have the tapping guru and the full tank, while in the booster section you have the multi-tap, the energy limit, the recharging speed, and the tap boost, just like Notcoin. Exact same thing, alright? Now, for the daily boosters and for the tapping guru and full tank, you have 3 chances daily. Normally, if you click the miner button right here, it's going to be using your energy limit, but with the help of the tapping guru, you get to earn by times 5 for 20 seconds, and it doesn't tamper with your energy. So I skipped this video for a while and used up my energy, alright? Now I'm just going to go ahead and click on get it. The moment you click on get it, this is going to lead you to the home screen, and you're going to see these lightning bolts around this very coin right now, which would enable you mine more of this very coin right now, and you do not get to use your energy while this is active. And as you can see right now, the tapping guru is helping me to tap by times 5. Now, as you can see, my 20 seconds has expired and my energy limit is low. So how do I refill that? Now, this is where the full tank comes in. Just go ahead and click on that full tank and then click on get it. Alright, this will fill your energy to the max, and you have 3 chances daily. As you can see right now, my energy tank is now full and is now back to 500. So with this, we can now tap back, and the more we tap, the more it reduces and the more we earn. So let's head over to the booster section. Now, the first one right here is the multi-tap. Before, we were tapping by just 1, but if you buy a multi-tap, you get to tap by times 1. Alright, by times 1. This is how it works. And the more multi-tap you buy, the more you get to tap. So if I buy this right now and click on the tap section to head back to the home screen and click on that miner button right now, you get to see that I'm not tapping by 2, right? I'm not tapping by a count of 2, and this is due to the work or the effect of the multi-tap. And next right here is the energy limit. If you want to create more space or you want to expand your energy, here is what you need to do. You have to buy the energy limit. Now, I'm going to spend 200 Tapswap token to buy this, and if I head back to the tap section right now, you get to see that my energy limit is now capped at 1,000 instead of the 500 it was before, right? So this would always refill to 1,000 instead of 500. It will exceed the 500 mark and head to 1,000. And the more energy limit you buy, the more you get to earn. Now the third right here is the recharging speed. If I click on recharging speed right now, you get to see that I have to buy that for 2,000. And if I click on get it, this of course would increase the speed of my recharge by plus 1 second. Now, what it does is that if you drain your energy limit, if you leave it like that, it's going to refill. But with the speed increase, it's going to refill fast. And this will help you to mine more coins faster. As you can see, this is even faster than before. The refill is now faster than before. And now we're going to be heading to the last one, which I made mention of before, and made you to know that you don't even have to tap this, alright, because there's a robot that will actually do this work for you. Now that robot is called the tap bot, alright, and for you to get this, you have to spend 200,000 Tapswap token. As you can see right here, tap bot to tap when your energy is full. Max bot work duration is 12 hours. So yes, once you buy the bot, it's going to tap for you continuously. After 12 hours, it stops. What you have to do is to log into this Tapswap and click on claim. Alright, once you claim that, it will begin to tap for you again. Alright, now how do you get to buy this tap bot? All you have to do is you just go to the tax section and join their social media handle, and you get 200,000 Tapswap token to buy this. This is the secret to buying the tap bot. It's really simple, guys. Now we're going to get to the last section right here, which is the stats section. Now the stats section will reveal to you the Tapswap stats, all right, and the total balance right here is 19.4 trillion. Total coins that have been mined on this very platform. The total touches are over 287 billion. The total players are over 9 million. The daily users are over 3 million. And players online as at the time of creating this video is about 71,000. If I head back to the home screen right now and click on this three dotted icon, I know a lot of us will want to know what that is. Now this would reveal to you just three functions, and first is to open the boat, the second is to reload the boat that you encounter a network glitch. All right, the last right here is the terms of use. All right, they do not like some practices some people do use on this very app, so they're going to review the terms of use. So this is it, guys. This is what you need to know about this very tap boat, okay, called Tapswap, built on the Solana chain. All right, I'm going to keep tapping this, and the more I tap, the more I earn. Okay, so this is it for Tapswap. This is how you earn this very free cryptocurrency right now, and this is what I want to tell you. Hop into this right now while you have the chance. Join the bandwagon now while it's early, because this could launch at any given time. I'm going to be releasing more free crypto mining apps like this, more free crypto mining boats like this that have a bright future. So for you to be part of it, all you have to do right now is to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on to all, so you don't miss out whenever I drop that very update. If you want to even stay more updated, then join my social media handle, which is Facebook, Telegram, and WhatsApp, because there's some update I post there which I don't post on YouTube first, so you stay or get first-hand updates. If you haven't joined Tapswap and you want to join, you can use the link in the description of this video to join Tapswap right now and become part of my team, and I'll be happy to welcome you in the team. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll try my best to respond to you as soon as I can. If you know there's anyone this message or this video will be beneficial to, then share it so that they would also benefit from the knowledge I shared in this very video. Until I come here next time, I'll be your crypto guide, Daniel Patrick, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.